My name is Jeff Murphy. I'm the General Manager of Manufacturing in Newnan, Georgia. In 1915, our founder had a vision of producing the first electrical meters in Japan. 100 years later, we've become the global supplier of industrial automation equipment that we are today.
My name is Leo Harlan. I am the project manager for the Building Tomorrow Modernization project for Yokogawa Corporation. We had provided the advanced solutions for all of our different customers for measurementation, control, and information. Our charge was to totally remodel the factory.
My name is David Wakesman. I'm the production engineering manager, and my team is responsible for implementing any changes to the manufacturing lines and supporting the daily production. So we ultimately chose Vention for our manufacturing facility due to the versatility of the product. We have multiple manufacturing lines throughout the facility, and we're able to customize each workbench to meet the needs of that specific line. The modularity of the Vention workbench allowed us to create one standard design that could be used on all manufacturing lines, but also using the 3D designer, we can customize that design specifically for certain areas, whether it's weight requirement, height requirements. And moving forward in the future, it gives us the flexibility to adjust those benches for new product releases, new equipment, and fixturing.
The overall impression that we've had from the Vention workbenches is it perfectly meshed and complemented our factory of the future. The benches are strong, they're very clean in their appearance, and it did an excellent job of bringing all of those components together. With engineering working closely with manufacturing, customizing this to each small operation, reduce any variability that we'd have in the process, and to capitalize on each little improvement that they can make. Whether it's bringing all of the bins right in front of the person, all of the tools necessary to take them to the point of use and with the ergonomic, as well as building in different monitors that walk them step by step through a procedure that drastically reduce our learning curve for new employees or new products that we bring in.
Seeing the investment that the company has put into the production activities into the facility, the employees seem to take a sense of pride, and with that sense of pride, they seem to do a much better job for the company.
We received a lot of positive feedback from everyone who evaluated this sample workbench. Everyone agreed that the aesthetics, the robustness, and the modularity of these workbenches was far superior to the other samples we had evaluated. Working with Vention's customer service and engineering team was a collaborative process. Anytime we had a question, concern, whether it was on cost, delivery, or engineering design, they were there to help us immediately. So the next steps in our automation journey are to implement digital automation equipment. For example, we want to implement touchscreens to have digital work instructions on for each manufacturing area. I'm excited for the day that we can open our doors to customers and they can come in and see and experience the state-of-the-art manufacturing facility.